Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing our trailer a little bit of love. We got our boat off the trailer today. We're going to be shooting later on with the boat in the water here, and so no better time to put some Stoltz roller on and the bow step, the winch step, than with the boat off the trailer. So right up front, we're going to jump on the Stoltz roller first. We'll get right into it. To do this installation, you're going to need a couple of wrenches. That's about all. These are both 3/4 inch sockets. You really won't need a deep well, I don't think, but just 2 3/4 inch sockets or a couple of wrenches. I've already kind of started here loosening up this existing bolt here. I'll take these guys off real quick. We will not reuse any of this hardware. A lot of people are replacing these because the factory rollers can just be a little abrasive, and people prefer the softer touch of that urethane material. The Stoltz is just known for that. When these are installed at the factory level, they'll torque them down real tight and they won't roll. So the Stoltz, obviously it's going to free roll. To assemble, simply take off the nut on the end here. There's a washer. Remove that washer. Take off the bell. Now we have the bolt with the washer. There's an additional washer that you can put in between, like this. We'll place the roller in between. If you find that you have a pinch here, you can loosen this bolt. There we go. Now we have the washer on the opposite side and the washer here. Place this in place, and then we're going to take our nut. Make sure you thread that on by hand at first. You don't want to cross thread this. And bearing in mind, you don't want to tighten this so much that you feel it crush. You want these bells to freely roll. All right, feels pretty good there. We'll duplicate that. On the FSH, you have 2 of these. You might ask the question, why do these cost twice as much? Because you got twice as many rollers. Extra washer here, a nut. All right, well, that's a complete installation. Just double check, make sure your bells freely roll. Center roller freely rolls. Got good threads showing out the end here. You always want to have no less than about 1.5 threads sticking out the end here. But in this job, we've got plenty of threads. That's it. Now your boat is going to roll up on the trailer without marring up the front of the hull there. Well, that's the complete installation for the Stoltz roller. If you like this video, stick with us. Next, we're going to install the winch stand boarding kit.